Wow, there are a lot of people here. Hmm, I need to check in for my flight. Excuse me, do you know? Where can I check in for my flight?
Oh, hi. You need to walk straight down, then turn left. You'll see the check-in counters in front of you. There is also a sign for it. Where are you flying to?
Thanks for your help. I'm flying to Rome.
Is that the capital of Italy?
That's right. Where are you flying to?
I'm going to London for a wedding.
That's exciting. Well, I better get going. Check-in closes 40 minutes before the flight.
Check in.
Hi there. I'd like to check in for my flight.
Good morning. Where are you flying to today?
Rome, Italy.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
How many bags are you checking in?
I've just got this one suitcase.
Okay. Please place your suitcase on the scale. No. Your luggage will be transferred to Italy, so you will only need to pick it up when you get to Italy. Here is your passport and your boarding passes. Your flight leaves from gate B19, and it will begin boarding at 11:25 am. Your seat number is 14B. You'll need to go through security next. Enjoy your flight.
I have a stopover in London. Will I need to collect my luggage there? Thank you for your help. Bye.
Security.
Excuse me, is this security?
That's right. Please place your bag on the conveyor belt. Use the bins for small objects such as your phone. Please also take off your shoes.
Okay, got it. Shall I walk through now?
Yes, please step back. Can you check your pockets for any small objects?
I left my keys in my pocket. Sorry about that.
No problem. Come on through. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Departure hall.
I'm not sure how to find the correct gate. Excuse me, can you please help me find the gate for my flight?
Sure. Can you see the departure board up there? It shows you the boarding gate and time.
Ah. I can see it says my flight to Rome is at 11:25 and the gate number is B19.
Exactly. It also says that your flight is on time. You're lucky. My flight to New York is delayed.
Oh. I'm sorry to hear that. Thank you for your help.
Boarding areas.
Wow. It's so empty here. I guess not many people are flying because of the heavy rain. I still have 20 minutes left before I can get on the plane. I'm glad I made it here on time.
Boarding the plane gate B19.
Good morning. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Everything seems fine. Have a great flight.
Thank you.
Passport control.
Welcome to Italy. May I see your passport?
Hi, sure. Here it is. And here is my visa.
Thank you. Where do you live?
United States.
Please state your full name, age, and nationality.
My name is Lily Kemp. I am 26 years old. And I'm American.
Oh, it's interesting that you have a British accent.
Yes, that's because I lived in London for most of my childhood. But I was actually born and raised in the United States.
And what's the purpose of your visit to Italy?
I'm going to visit my sister. She lives in Rome.
How long do you plan to stay in Rome?
About 3 weeks.
And what do you do back home?
Sorry, what do you mean by that?
Your job. What do you do?
Oh, I don't have a job yet. I'm a university student.
Your papers look fine. You have a tourist visa for 1 month.
Yes, that's right. I plan to explore Rome with my sister.
Which tourist attractions are you planning to visit?
I'm not sure yet. My sister's planning all that for us.
All right. Do you have anything to declare?
Pardon me. What do you mean?
Do you have any valuables to declare?
Oh, no, I don't.
Have you brought any food into the country?
Just some potatoes I bought in London during my stopover.
I'm afraid I'll have to take those.
Why? They're just potatoes.
We don't allow meat, dairy products, and potatoes into the country.
All right, here they are.
Do you have anything else?
I just bought a handbag. I bought for my sister as a gift.
That's fine. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay, you can go ahead. Enjoy your stay in Rome.
Thank you. Bye.
Baggage reclaim.
Wow, that was a long journey. Now I need to collect my suitcase. Ah, there it is.
Airport out.
I'm so excited to explore this beautiful country. I wonder if it's cheaper to take a taxi or bus in Rome. I'll just take a taxi. It'll be quicker. Hey, taxi, please take me to Hotel Locarno.